उधर अच्छा तुम नीचे आ जाओ, कम कम,
उतना कट हो जाएगा सर।
जस्ट
आगे
मिनट।
से।
अरे वाह मस्त, क्या बात है। वेल, बी सीटेड। साउंड आ रहा होगा ना बाबू?
हाँ सर, साउंड
है?
आ रहा है।
आ रहा है ना?
हाँ
अच्छा पता चलेगा कि रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है कि नहीं। देखो तो, जस्ट सी है, ठीक है।
हाँ सर, रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है।
हैं?
हाँ वो तो
कैसे पता चल रहा है कि रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है?
सर, वो देखिए ना, टाइमिंग वहाँ पे लिखा है।
अच्छा हाँ ठीक है, चलो ओके। हाँ, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस टॉक अबाउट क्लास 10 ग्रामर सिलेबस। देखिए, 3 questions comes in grammar of 12 marks. 4 3 are 12. The first question is regarding one word completion. Let us talk about one word completion. Okay. Yes, in class 10 and 9, one word completion is common. So you have a number of questions that I have given you a book also. In
sir.
that you have practice session. A number of questions are there for what? For one word omission, one word completion also. It is also called one word completion. Now, how will you attempt one word completion? Just tell me. Come on. What are the areas that will be tested in one word completion? See, number one, auxiliaries. लिखते जाओ, auxiliaries. Auxiliaries will be tested. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, being, be, etc. are auxiliaries, elementary auxiliaries. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
ask one thing, sir. uh, all these we know that is used for singular, am is used with I first
Yes,
person,
sir.
are is with plural, and you second person, third person plural, was is used for I in past tense, I was, where is used in past tense with plural, and you also second person and third person plural, has is used for third person singular. You say he has a
Yes,
car.
sir.
Okay, now the question arises, what is the second item that will be tested in a one word completion? Ask Manish. Sir, what is the second question that will be tested in one word
So what will be the second question
yeah,
that will be?
the second will be modals. modals, modals. Can, could, shall, should, may, might, okay, etc. Okay, need, etc. All modals will be tested. Then conjugate words will be there. Conjugate words. What are conjugate words?
सर,
Listen.
ज्वाइनिंग वर्ड।
Oh, what are they? Either or.
Because.
Either or. Neither nor.
Nor.
Neither nor. Not only but also. Not only but also. But also. Scarcely. SCRC. Scarcely when. No sooner than. These are the words which will be tested. No sooner than. So these words may be I mean omission. One of the, like, if either will be given, then or will be missing. If neither is given, nor will be missing. If not only is given, then but also is missing. Yeah, only also is missing.
Yes, sir.
Scarcely is given, then when is missing. No sooner is given, then is missing. Now the question arises, let us take some examples, original examples in which omission occur. Okay, let us take, I'll just give you elementary example. Let us take factual passage. Factual, right? Factual passage, like we are nowadays we are talking about a lot about, I mean, innovations and research, learning by research, learning by doing. So science a subject which deals all the logical phenomenon occurring systematically, the fact that it also makes know the various aspects of scientific reactions, atomic and radioactive elements giving out yes. Come on. Everybody has to answer something. What should I write here?
Sir,
Science.
Yes, sir.
Is very good. Science is a subject singular which deals. A preposition is missing.
Deals with all.
Deals with. Which deals with all the logical phenomena occurring systematically. The fact that it also makes us know object. Makes us make is always followed by an object.
Yes,
It
sir.
is a bare infinitive. Makes us know the various aspects of scientific and
various reactions.
नहीं scientific के बाद क्या आना चाहिए? Scientific is always a conjugate word of
scientific,
unscientific.
Unscientific.
Scientific and unscientific. Yes.
Sir, how unscientific?
Because there are unscientific reactions also that generally that we talk about weather condition. They are not scientific. They are affected by pollution. They are affected by surrounding. Am I right?
Sir.
Now last one. Elements. When atomic and radioactive elements, split up.
Yes, sir.
Break out,
Yes, sir.
giving out a lot of
A
energy.
lot of energy.
A lot is also a singular word. A lot of
This phenomena is called.
this phenomena is called. So now you see that we are using either auxiliaries or we are using some preposition. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
But basically, what are the ways that we can find out? Like you see, you may ask, sir, sometimes we get confused whether we should use an auxiliary in past or in present. For example, let us say there lived a king who blank kind and judicious Judicis
Who was-
Apollyon.
Who was?
Sir, who-
Yes. Now, how do you know that it is was?
Because it is a
sentence is
past.
Yes,
tense.
the sentence there lived. Lived is in simple past tense.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when it is past tense, you will easily understand.
Yes, sir.
But what about these conjugate words? Because they are going to disturb you.
Yes, sir.
Like I can tell you one sentence. Either either we depend on our own qualities,
Sir, all over.
Or-
we rely on others. Either is always followed by or.
Or.
लिखते जाइए अब इसका सारा का एग्जाम्पल. Either we depend, पहला सेंटेंस लिखिए. Either we depend upon, बाद में इसको उतार लीजिएगा because this is a very good topic. Either we depend on our own qualities. Either we depend on our own qualities, or we rely on others. So either will always have a missing word or. Come to the second one. That is neither nor. Come on. Neither money is required nor any other resource. Neither money is required nor any other resource for becoming a learner. I have not only a democracy deals with equality and freedom, but also it provides equal opportunities to all citizens to grow. Equal opportunities to all citizens to grow. फिर से एक बार पढ़िए. Not only democracy, पढ़िए, read.
Not only democracy deals with equality and freedom, but also provides.
हाँ, but also not only को अंडरलाइन कर दीजिए. जहां not only रहेगा but also रहेगा. अब आ जाइए both के साथ and लिखिए. Both scholars and educationists are the pillars of a democracy. Both scholars and
Education.
educationists, DUCATIONISTs, are the pillars of a democracy. Are the pillars of a democracy. All right?
Yes, sir.
अब आ जाइए इसमें scarcely के साथ, right? Scarcely had I, always it is always followed by auxiliary first. पहले auxiliary तब subject आता है. Scarcely had I reached the station when the train arrived. तो ये when वाला missing हो सकता है. When the train arrived. कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि ये when को जान करके छोड़ देगा. देखिए ऐसे दे देगा. Scarcely had I reached the station blank the train arrived. तो आपको यहाँ when देना होगा. Scarcely when. Hardly के साथ भी देखिए. Hardly did I board the bus. Board means चढ़ना. Hardly did I board the bus when it moved. जैसे ही मैंने बस में पैर रखा ये चलना शुरू कर दी. Did क्यों दिया? क्योंकि सिंपल पास्ट टेंस है. Hardly did I board. ये भी हो गया. Neither, no sooner के साथ लिखिए. No sooner did I see the tiger. No sooner did I see the tiger. यहाँ से देखिए. No sooner did I see the tiger. Then I ran away. जैसे ही मैंने देखा तो ये सब तो conjugate words है. अब आइए कि other type of one word completion. हैज के बाद देखिए स्ट्रक्चर लिख लीजिए. It plus has plus been plus V3.
It plus
Has plus been plus V3
Yes, sir.
plus by
plus
plus agent.
plus agent.
इसका एक एग्जांपल लिखिए. It has been discovered by. उतने ही पर खत्म हो गया. इसका मतलब अच्छी नहीं है, चार्ज नहीं
Yes,
है.
sir.
कोई बात नहीं, चार्ज नहीं, उतना काफी है. It has been discovered. It has been discovered by
Yes, sir.
the scientist. By the scientist. It has been discovered by the scientist that ultraviolet rays can cause harmful radiations to our eyes. Ultraviolet rays can cause harmful radiations to our eyes. Ultraviolet rays can cause harmful radiations to our eyes. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
अब आ जाइए इसमें. आपको क्या बता रहे थे ये? हाँ, पैसिव में. अब है बोला देखिए. There have been a number of cases of COVID-19. There have been a number of cases of COVID-19. There have been a number of cases of COVID-19. There have